Friends, hello everyone. Today we will prepare a wonderful dish of chicken liver. You haven't tried this yet? I'll show you now. For chicken liver schnitzel, we prepare the necessary ingredients according to the list. Chicken liver is washed under running water, remove the films. Dry with a paper towel. Cut the liver into small pieces. In one bowl we put flour, which we sprinkle with salt and ground black pepper. If you wish, you can add a pinch of aromatic herbs. In the second bowl, you need to break one chicken egg and beat it with a fork, adding a little salt. In the remaining bowl, pour the breadcrumbs. Also put a frying pan with vegetable oil to warm up. So, we lower a piece of liver first into flour. Then it needs to be dipped in a beaten egg. Now we roll the liver in breadcrumbs. We send the pieces of liver into boiling oil, shaking off the excess breadcrumbs. Fry the liver on medium-high heat on each side in small portions. And so friends, the chicken liver schnitzel is ready. Serve it hot with a vegetable salad or your favorite side dish. Enjoy your meal. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.